According to beef2life.com, there are 2.51 cows for every person in Montana. This is the third highest cow-to-person statewide ratio in the nation, only following South Dakota at 4.32 cows per person and Nebraska at 3.29 cows per person. Despite their massive size in population, cows don't really seem to do much except for eat grass and hay. Grass and hay is very dense and really hard to digest. This is why many people believe that cows have 4 stomachs. In reality, milkmeansmore.org explains that cows only have 1 stomach with 4 distinct compartments: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Let's begin by discussing the rumen. The rumen is the first compartment in a cow's stomach in the digestive process. It's the largest of the 4 compartments, the size of a city curbside garbage can, located on the left side of the cow and comprised of several different sacs. This is where the food is stored. It can store up to 25 gallons of material, depending on the size of the cow. It's also a fermentation vat, where microbes grow. These microbes help digest and ferment the food. After learning a little bit about the duties of the rumen, let's dive into the importance of the reticulum. The reticulum is the second compartment in the cow's stomach. It has very distinct physical characteristics. First off, it's honeycombed, located right next to the cow's heart, and is made of several contracting muscles. There's little separation between the rumen and the reticulum, which is why it's so easy for food to go back and forth between the first 2 compartments of a cow's stomach. This compartment, the reticulum, contracts to form cud, which is half-digested food balls. This cud flows from the rumen to the reticulum back to the rumen and is unswallowed and re-chewed by the cow up to 60 times a day. The reticulum is also storage for heavy objects like metal, rock, and really dense, indigestible food objects are also stored here. After being re-chewed several times and passing through the reticulum, the next step in the digestive journey is to enter the omasum. The omasum is the 3rd compartment in a cow's stomach. It's the smallest of the 4 compartments. It's globe-shaped and contains leaves of tissue. Picture a book, that's what it would look like. This was explained by extension.udm.edu. These pages out of the book, these tissues, absorb the water and dry out the cud, the food balls. When the food is thoroughly dried out in the omasum, it moves to the abomasum. The abomasum is the last compartment in a cow's stomach. The prefix ab means away from. This is why the abomasum is located just past the omasum. It's the only compartment with glands in it. These glands release hydrochloric acid and other digestive enzymes. These are released to further break down the food. The abomasum is nicknamed the true stomach. This is because the abomasum is the compartment of a cow's stomach that is most similar to the single compartment stomach of most mammals. Now that we've learned the complexities of digestion in a cow's stomach, I hope you understand the amount of work a cow goes through every single day just to digest its food. By simple observation, a cow doesn't look like it's doing much of anything except for chewing. But when you dive in deeper and look closer at the actual effort that eating entails, cows are not as simple or lazy as one might first think. The process of digestion takes all day and all of their energy. from storage in the rumen to the unswallowing and rechewing of the reticulum, to drying out the cud in the omasum, and finally the traditional digestion in the abomasum. The digestion process is long and involved. Next time you see a cow chewing on cud in a field, I hope you'll know exactly how much work he's putting into staying alive. Thank you.